first. Let's do.
Jack, isn't that the way you do it?
With what?
With the stool, against the door?
Are you recording yet?
Lean the stool against it.
No, you lean up against, put your feet back, bend over, I think. One down, pick the stool up, pick the stool off the ground.
He's got his head on the stool. Have your head on the board.
Put your hand on the door, I think.
Yeah, pick the stool up.
Now, try to stand up. A girl can do it. Yeah, a girl can do it.
Alright, you want to do that, Jerry? We're going to pick Hunter up.
No, we're not picking nobody up.
Please, no. We're going to do it at the end of class. Wait, does the skull thing work? Okay. What? Does the skull thing work? Yeah. I don't know.
Move the stool.
After he does his bridge, we'll get the chair. Oh, yeah. So you gotta make a video of that.
Huh?
You gotta make a video of that. I was scared. They don't say it out loud.
I see it.
I think one side's still full uploaded.
Shoot it though.
Where's yours at?
'Get ready to go.
No, that's the sand hitting the plywood.
No.
He's being some mess over
Pick
there.
Hunter up as easy as we did Sabre yesterday.
So how did you do him? You was over there?
That's up to.
Yeah, but you walked over there.
Yeah, I went over. I was talking to her. And they said, "Here, try this." And then we did it. Oh, we did Josh first. We were just like picked him up over our head. We're like, "Whoa, that's good." And then we did the same. That scared me. I was like, "That's not supposed to happen." I didn't know what that was.
Probably about 40 pounds.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, can I get the chair again?
We did the combo. We did 2
40 pounds.